This is the elevator at North Lake Pavilion, Charlotte, North Carolina.
You looking through the viewfinder to see what you're getting?
Yes.
Okay.
It's Otis.
It's got a nice fan.
No handrail.
Nope.
Go to 2. Here we are.
It takes a long time to load. Get a view of the door.
That's the door. 1. It's a nice elevator, no handrail.
Look at the floor.
Yeah, the floor's pretty.
And the ceiling.
Yeah. Here we are at 1. These are the fixtures, the phone. There it goes, and